Okay, this week we're going to do the industrial power bundle. Now, I'm going to start out by talking about this company, RepairBot. Now, the only other RepairBot we have gotten was the Enclave skin version. It came in a Steam bundle, so not many people got it. This is an amazing item to have for your camp. All of those buildings that take small amounts of damage over time because, one, Scorch with a pipe rifle was shooting at it from the 9 miles away before you could actually have a turret hit it. This will fix it. It will not fix broken stuff, but anything that has taken damage, it will fix. Now, originally this took your Scraptron slot. It doesn't anymore. As you can see, it's got this little red with the little warning hazard. So as you can see here, I can still put down my Scraptron. Now he's in a sealed up area, so he's not pathing very well. But if I go, I damage these walls. And as you can see right next to the little name, you see that little wrench? It is actually slowly healing. And that is what this thing does. It will take every piece of damage in your camp and slowly repair it. So if you're looking at nothing at this bundle but that is one thing you should look at. Well, with that, I'm going to go over to a shelter and showcase the rest. Okay, I'm here in this very large open shelter because I wanted to test this Dynamite generator. Now, this thing says it will cover an entire shelter. It has 999 power. So, effectively, it should power anything in here. Now, I placed down these because they are just about the easiest to spot. And you can see it's lit up. That is the corners of this. And if you look all the way over there, that is the far corner. It is still lit up. So, yeah, it'll pretty much power up any object that requires power. Now, this one requires, as you can see, if it requires direct power like this, it won't. It's only the area ones like that. So, you won't have to run cables all along it for that type of stuff. You will still have to for this. But, as an actual decoration style, I wish we could use these other places. This looks really cool. You see the little electricity and stuff running along it. It's got that little bit of rust, so it doesn't look super new. You can see all that shininess. I'm hoping we can get like a couple of smaller ones of these for outside, because apparently it is shelter only. But still a nice generator. Has a nice sound to it, but it's not clunk or, all those types of ones that you can hear from half a mile. So this is easily hidden somewhere to power up everything. We have the industrial pipes. Now, unfortunately, these look like they're more designed around the concept of they're just a decoration that you would just place down, that you can't connect them. There's no corner pieces. It's just this tall one. This. It's kind of like you're about to build something. At the same time, these are still pretty good old building blocks. With our now free build system, I mean, you could build custom little walls. Like, you just slide these up against each other, make a little wall kind of deal, or all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's... Last season, this would be kind of a meh. This season, you could go nuts with creativity with those. As for this coal building, this thing is massive. It's got 2 floors inside. It's about 2.5 to 3 wide by 4 long. you can actually lift this thing up another good half story. I could build an entire base underneath this thing, more or less, inside of it. I am leaving normal walking on, because if I had to walk around this entire thing, it would be a 20-minute video. You can see it's got all these. Now, it looks very industrial. It looks very, just a concrete wall. When you get inside, you can see it's got quite a bit of floor space inside. You got another 4 up here. And like I said, with that, you can even put some other stuff like hovering around in here. It's got these little holes that the chutes used to go out of. You can get up to the roof. And even the roof looks nice on it. But it's just so big is the key point on this one. Is that it's like... This is a nice prefab that... If you want that one big structure that you could build an entire base in and move it around... But you could also do a lot of stuff with this. And it kind of fits... Because there's a lot of older coal mines in West Virginia. But now let's see real quick. We're going to set them on fire. See, those don't have, unfortunately, any variation. This, I apparently can't damage this. That's interesting. This here, it does have a destruction. You can see that has smoke, fire. That wall there now has a hole in it that you can walk in and out of. Doesn't change it too much, but it does. You can see rooftop, all of that. Easy to repair. One nice thing, though, is about buildings like this. If the building itself gets destroyed, all the items inside kind of despawn. So, if a super mutant shoots up your base and it destroys this, everything inside is just safe now. It can't get inside and destroy it. Of course, direct hits from a nuke will still kill it, but, as all in all, it is pretty nice looking in here. You can see that little detail work of these little old coal chutes. You could probably even make it look like it still had some stuff with the new free build mode. That said, this concrete just behemoth of a prefab just gives you an idea that you can do a lot of stuff with it. And with that, I hope this gives you an idea on this bundle. And I hope y'all have a fantastic week.